Welcome to Modern Planet. Already did the unboxing, but I just do the same ways to show you about this product. Is the Asus TUF Gaming Ace 3 Gold Medal stereo gaming headset from Asus. You can see shows you can use PS4, Discord, certificate, and speaker. So I already did the unboxing, but I'm gonna do it again to you guys. Just to show you about this product. But before finish open this, let's see light design, gaming, total comfort, touch staining steel, headband, jock, better stability and durability, exclusive right chamber and 50 AM access drivers, immersive audio, certificate microphone for clear gain communication, cross support platform support PC, Mac, PC4, Nintendo Switch, X1, and mobile phones. TUF Gaming H3 headset, 3.0 AM microphone audio splitter cable, quick start guide. Okay, so in the package, anyway, nothing too much. So we have just the headset. As I say already, I already did the boxing. Just bring this cable for the computer jack. So this the headset. Look at the design. This around $40, $40, and they have a offer. So it's 35 with tax, 30 something with taxes 37, like $3 less. So you see the name TUF Gaming headset. This is not definite letters, but it feel good. We can expand like you see. And now let's see how look. If you see, I don't like too much like how it look here. But anyway, it's fine. It's feel yes comfortable. It feel comfortable. It feel really nice comfortable. I already tested. Um, the audio of the microphone is look. It's not like wow, but it's warm. It's fine. How can this headset you can cancel the noise and the volumes up down. I use it also with my Yeti microphone, Blue Yeti, for a string. Also, I use this computer like that, like you see. Sorry for it. I need to organize. But the jack, the headset work definitely good. It's not bad for the price. It's not like expensive headset, but it's do the job. For beginner, person like start like stream, it's fine, it's good. I can stay hours with this headset. It's not bad. This is a short video, a small review. I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you next video.